What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to TMT. Today we have this unit sitting on a curb, and if you know by now, most units going forward I hardly ever recommend you put on a curb. Why? Well, really it kind of depends on the brand, but most units, Train, Day Night, Bosch, which is the ones that I typically install, is not really compatible with a curb, because if you see this older York, look at the motor, right? It's actually facing down. So if you see the ductwork down there, you can see that it's blowing straight into the ductwork, which is okay, that's a good thing. But because the new motors and the new unit designs don't do that, they actually blow the air straight forward. The air would actually go forward, smack this front wall, and then have to work its way down. And that causes all kinds of issues, like poor airflow is going to be one of them. And then also, high static, which is not good. And I mean, low airflow can cause less superheat, which can cause bad oil return. You get the deal. So we're gonna go ahead and change it out and put an elbow. I'll show you how I do that, how we do that. Okay, so we got this bad boy out of there. We got it off the curb. You see, the last installers were not very clean. They just left all their trash in here. Anyways, so now we are essentially going to create a jack all the way around so that we can put our elbow to slip over and connect to that jack. So, all right, show y'all what we got here. Here's the plenum. Well, let's go ahead and do it. All right, so there it is. Ended up, had Frank here cut down that curb, and again turned it into a jack essentially. And now we sealed the return, the supply, and we're about to put this elbow on here. All right, looks way different already, right? Okay, so the difference is day and night. That was an intentional pun, because the unit brand is day and night, right? Anyways, again, there it is. Remember, it used to be on a curb. Now we got the nice elbow, the nice brand new unit, new drain, new stand, and the airflow now is going to come in nice, give it a nice curve into the return. And when we're talking about the supply is going to be blowing now this way, and instead of slamming here, it's just going to go straight, keep its velocity, and gently come down into that mixing box, right? Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. As always, thank you for watching. Thanks for getting the HVAC fam to 1K subscribers. So now that's pretty much it. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.